Whether you're a content creator, an influencer, or someone who's trying to build their brand, you would have come across affiliate marketing where you get paid a commission for any sales that you make when you refer customers over to a specific product or service that you recommend. What I'm going to teach you in this specific video is how to get higher conversion rates. That is, getting more of those customers to buy through your affiliate link as opposed to someone else's, using this simple yet effective affiliate marketing trick. So if you want to learn more, be sure to keep watching. Hi, my name's Aurelius, and on this channel I share my tips, tool reviews, and tutorials to help you scale your business with online tech. So if that interests you, be sure to subscribe below and turn on notifications too so you don't miss any future videos that I post up here on this channel. To show you the results of just one product that I applied this affiliate marketing trick, I like to call it, you can see that I've made $8,850 in net commissions for promoting and recommending a tool, online tool that is, called Designer, which is an ebook creation software. Whether you promote your content or your products via Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, on other social media platforms, or via email, this affiliate marketing trick will allow you, or more so get you better results, because you'll get more of those people to buy through your affiliate link. And this is what will help you stand out amongst the crowd of other people recommending the same tool, software, or whatever it may be that you're recommending. So here's a little tip that's going to help you increase sales as an affiliate marketer. Here's the example that I want to show you. I'm on YouTube and I've simply searched for Designer, and you can see a couple of my videos at the top here, Designer tutorial. So all I explain in this specific video is how to use this specific tool. Now, the actual method, or I guess trick, is by offering bonuses. All right, this is what we call affiliate bonuses. All right, we can see down the bottom in the description below. Here's where I explain your special bonus deal when you purchase through my specific affiliate link. I'll send them 300 articles. So that's my specific bonus. It's unique to my offer. No one else is offering this. And this is all they need to do. They just follow the instructions. Here's all you need to do. Step 1, get Designer through my link here. Forward the receipt to my email address. And then that's it. I'll send the articles to those customers who purchase. And I've noticed that a lot of customers who view this tutorial then go ahead and buy it through my affiliate link. And of course, if you are going to be creating YouTube videos, you also want to mention that you're offering exclusive bonuses to those who purchase or will purchase through your affiliate link. Now, to come up with bonuses, think about what will be complementary and what would be kind of helpful in addition to grabbing, that product or service. So in my case, I'm promoting Designer, which is an ebook software or ebook creation software. So in order to help them with the actual content, I've provided 300 kind of brandable articles that they can repurpose in whatever way they wish, depending on their niche. So that's what I call kind of aligned, and that's relatable, relevant, and also that complements that specific tool or software. As an example, if you're promoting something such as Squarespace, which is a website building service or tool, you can provide, let's say, a quick start guide, like a 10-page PDF document that shares how to get started, or a quick start guide to getting started with Squarespace. Or perhaps you could provide some video tutorials on how to actually use Squarespace. Customers will be more inclined to buy through your affiliate link, or perhaps even buy that product or service because of your bonuses. In the 10+ years that I've been marketing products and services online, this is one of the single most effective affiliate marketing technique to increasing sales. And I do this with almost any product that I highly recommend. It's not for all, of course, because there's only so many bonuses that you can create. But if I do have something complementary that I can put together, or if there's something perhaps I've already got existing that I can repurpose, repackage into a bonus pack, then I will do that. and then offer it as a bonus to those who purchase through my affiliate link. So these couple of YouTube videos that I posted relevant to Designer has earned me quite a significant amount. I guess a good promotion in a way that I created these videos once, and it's kind of passive in a way where I don't need to do anything else other than deliver the bonuses. Now, if in terms of the commissions here, now this is not typical, of course, and I'm not saying that if you apply this technique, you'll earn this much. I would say that half of this amount came from my YouTube tutorials, while the other half came through via email marketing, where I have it as a autoresponder message in one of my email campaigns where I promote Designer as a tool. So more than likely it's like half of that in terms of the net commissions, where it's all coming through or via YouTube. So the next time you're recommending a specific product or service and creating content for that, whether that's on YouTube or other social media platforms, think about a bonus that you can quickly put together. It doesn't have to be quickly, of course, but just put something together, as opposed to doing the typical get 15% off if you purchase through my link or whatever it may be, because that will make you stand out and you get high conversion rates as a result. To give you some examples of bonuses that you can offer when recommending a specific product or service, I would say it really depends firstly on what you're recommending. For tools, services, and let's say software online, perhaps a tutorial, like one video tutorial that goes through how to use it, just like what I did with Designer. That's something you can quickly put together, and all you need to do is do it once, record it once, and have that ready to provide to those who purchase through your link and claim it. And secondly, I would say that perhaps a checklist would also make a great complementary bonus to whatever you're providing. A checklist could be a list of action steps that they take, or let's say a cheat sheet to getting started quickly with using a specific tool or getting around a specific service online. Another type of bonus that you could perhaps offer is, let's say, a 30-minute consultation call, or it could be a Zoom call, or perhaps even email access, to you. So again, it does really depend on your niche and what product or service you're offering, and perhaps a checklist may not be relevant to what you're promoting. So there you go. Hope this little tip will help you get more sales as an affiliate marketer promoting products or services. If you got value from this video, by all means hit that like button. And if you're new to this channel, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos just like this. In the meantime, do stick around to watch these next relevant videos.